Since we've started making modifications to our Suzuki Grand Vitara project vehicle, we wanted people to know that our Suzuki was a bit different from most others. So we decided to add our show's name to the outside of the vehicle. We had seen some very impressive work from Beyond Signs and Graphics in San Bernardino, California, on other people's project and show vehicles, and decided to let them take a crack at making our Grand Vitara stand out from the crowd. The first thing they did was photograph the Suzuki from all sides, then load the images into their computers along with our logo design. They were then able to show us exactly what the Grand Vitara would look like once the graphics were applied to the vehicle. When we approved the style, size, and location of the patterns, their computer system then began cutting the vinyl film used for the graphics. The scored material was then hand-weeded to remove the material outside of the pattern, then a tacky overlay was applied to the pattern from the front side of the vinyl. From there, it was back to the vehicle where things were precisely measured and marked, and the graphics were positioned and bonded to the Suzuki. The vinyl film used for the graphics is waterproof, UV resistant, and can be maintained in like-new condition with ordinary car wax. And the best thing about this type of material is that it can easily be removed from the vehicle without damaging the paint, unlike conventional stickers. That way, when the Grand Vitara's time as a project vehicle with us is done, we won't have to repaint it. While we were at Beyond Signs and Graphics, we checked out a couple of their vehicles which showcase some of the many types of vehicle lettering and logos that they do. We found that they can make 3D vinyl graphics as well as vinyl film designs for windows which allow you to see out from the inside but appear to be solid when viewed from the outside. In their showroom, we saw samples of the variety of styles and materials available for use in all types of signs and graphic designs. They also have the capabilities to create designs from photographs, which can then be used on signs or t-shirts. And they have plenty of custom designed t-shirts too. Beyond Signs and Graphics also does custom business card and stationery designs, and even provides internet web design services. Clearly their name is right on target, as they certainly do go well beyond just signs and graphics. Check their link at our website for more information on the myriad of graphic services they offer for businesses, car clubs, special events, or just about anything else you can think of. In the meantime, our Grand Vitara now looks more like a project vehicle, and we'll keep building it up and improving an already good thing. Tires, auxiliary lights, and a brush guard are just a few of the things we'll be adding soon, so keep watching for more updates in the coming weeks.